Hello viewer, here is a camel shape. Some different pictures are there. We will take the angle, make a diamond and reflected here. Use the paints for it. Add some further structure here. So using the designs of further we will make that design here. I will adjust a shape over it again. So that's it.